siya. Huwag mo naman siya ganunin. She's still watching. Wait ka lang. Oo, wait lang. She's watching pa kasi. Wait lang. Wait. For a while. What? Oo, sige. Bebe, mommy will tell her. Bebe, oh. Sabi ng kuya daw. Busy nga daw siya, kuya, watching. Kuya? Huwag naman, anak. Anak, huwag naman ganun. Kawawa naman ang baby princess. Wait lang. Wait lang, kuya. Hayaan mo siya. Oh, she will get that if she like. Let her. Huwag mo siyang sasaktan. Hayaan mo lang siya, kuya. Oh, you don't hurt her face, ha? Don't do that. You wait. Ay, kuya, wag. Kuya naman ang baby. Hayaan mo lang. She will get that. Hayaan mo siya. Oh, you tell her, baby. Say, baby. Oh, you're tired now. You don't have voice anymore. Stop na yan. Oh, tell her. Oh, baby. Yun daw, baby. Oh, yung toy daw, baby. Baby. Oh, yun, naintindihan ka na ni baby princess. Wait ka lang daw. Naman lang daw nakakapaghintay eh. Pagod na ang baby princess. Tama na, anak. Wala na ikaw boses. Anak, enough na.